Hi guys, it's Allison from your Wellness Center. Let's talk about HydraFacial today. I'm going to break down some different things in the HydraFacial and all the questions that you may have. So HydraFacial typically is about a 30-minute treatment. It's broken down into 3 steps. You're going to have a deep cleanse exfoliation, you're going to have a mini peel with extraction, and then an infusion with hyaluronic acid, peptides, vitamins, and antioxidants. So you will leave the office with possibly sunburnt pink and red skin. This is normal for about 30 minutes, but then you're going to have that beautiful HydraFacial glow. Next, HydraFacial is not only for the face, it's for those pesky breakouts on your back, shoulders, and chest. Okay guys, so HydraFacial doesn't have a skin type. Whether you're dry or oily, it's good for you and your skin. So the HydraFacial company recommends that you get a HydraFacial done once a month because your skin regenerates itself about every 28 days. Typically, our patients come in between 4 and 6 weeks to get a HydraFacial. Okay. Pre and post care for the HydraFacial are pretty similar. You want to stay away from anything that's going to be exfoliating on the skin, such as retinols, glycolic, salicylic, scrubs, beads, brushes, waxing, anything like that for 3 days before and 3 days after. Now, if you are going to get any type of Botox or fillers done, you want to wait at least 2 weeks before getting a HydraFacial. As far as chemical peels, resurfacing, lasers, or any type of broadband light therapy, you need to wait at least 2 weeks before or 2 weeks after getting a HydraFacial. Side note, after the HydraFacial, you will be sensitive to the sun, so make sure you are wearing your SPF daily. So along with the HydraFacial, we offer the wet diamond tip, which uses a microdermabrasion tip we put right on the HydraFacial machine. This is going to give you extra exfoliation with no pain at all. So you can add this with a dermaplane, a jelly mask, manual extractions, and our light stem red light therapy. Things to look for if you're looking for a provider for a HydraFacial. You definitely want to go to the HydraFacial website and find a licensed provider. You want to make sure that this person is using the right equipment. So there are a lot of copycat HydraFacials out there, but HydraFacial company has their own patented technology and ingredients within their serums. So if you're looking for a HydraFacial on the internet and you're doing a search, go to the HydraFacial website and find a provider who's actually licensed and doing a real HydraFacial. So if you choose us for your HydraFacials, you have no worries at all. We are licensed and we're also a Black Diamond provider.
Hey guys, it's Jess from your Wellness Center. I want to walk you through a few tips on how to find the best provider near you. I like to see if they have any reviews. You can also go to their website to see if they have before and after photos, or their Instagram to see what to expect during your treatment. When we're talking about price for the HydraFacial, you can usually see that on their website or give the office a call. Prices can vary med spa to med spa, so just verify the price before you go in so you're not surprised at checkout. If you're new to HydraFacials, see if the med spa offers a consultation. At your Wellness Center, we offer free skincare consults with all of our treatments. Here are some questions you can ask about the HydraFacial during your consultation. What's the total price? How much time is needed? What's the recovery? And the follow-up process.
If you have any questions or you want to schedule an appointment with me, give us a call here at the office or visit our website.